All right, good morning. It is March 16th, 2021. It is vlog 51. We're past the 50s. This is my second cup of coffee this morning.
Mine too.
Yeah. How many, here, I'll pose the question. How many cups of coffee, if you're a coffee drinker, do you drink a morning? And usually for me, it is usually like 1.5, 2, around that area. Yeah, got some stuff to do today, so I need two cups. But anyways, before we get started, or we already did. Oh yeah. Staying in tune. Ecologic strings working well. I just changed this one like last week, and it's already fraying. I could already see it. I have one more, so I'll probably change that this week sometimes, but I want to see how long it lasts while it's fraying. I just don't like it. I keep feeling the piece on there, but oh well. Life is hard. Woo. It always, every single time, it makes me smile. There's something about that. Start playing instruments. That's all I gotta say. Get that music out. You have some music that you wanna express. Pretty awesome. But anyways, let's see what the weather is like today. It was pretty chillers last night. Oh my god. I was outside and the wind was blowing and it just went right through me. I had my full on winter gear on. It still was freezing, man. It was just wow. And right now in Long Beach, this is unheard of. It is 55 with a high of 57.
That's crazy. What the heck?
But it is sunny. It is sunny. 55. Wow. Wow. That's 20 degrees from the normal. That's sweet. That's a lot. My goodness. Woo. Yeah, it is cold. It is cold. But anyways, what happened yesterday? Yesterday was Monday. Everybody loves Mondays, right, Carrie? I woke up at 9:30. That was a long weekend. It was crazy. Let's see. Definitely, it's been feeling weird because of the time change. Yeah. I think it's going to take me another week before I feel all right. You know, I don't know how long it takes you because of the time change, but yeah. Spring forward. So we lost an hour. And yeah, crazy. Did my vlog, 100-day song. Yeah, this was funny. I did my 100-day song. It was Beautiful Morning by the Rascals. It's day 44. Woo, getting close to 50. But actually, I didn't notice that it switched mics, and my computer's been doing that lately. My mic just stops, and it stopped recording. So when I went to go edit it, I was looking at it, I was like, oh my god. So I had to do it again at night. And I was doing it. It's a beautiful morning, and I wanted to do it in the morning, but I had to do it at night. It kind of sucked. There's some songs though. Actually, it's funny that I only do like at certain times because of the actual song. It's a beautiful morning. Trying to sing that song at night, it's kind of weird. What do you think, Carrie?
What?
A beautiful morning song, like if it talks about the morning or night, like I like to sing them during that time. Like you know what I mean?
Preferably at night. There will be no morning singing around here. It's only
Okay.
coffee drinking.
Yeah, but I do. I wake up in the morning. As long as it's before 12, right? So it could be 11.
Yes, that's true.
That's still morning.
There's a loose,
There's a loose morning that we talk
there's
about.
a loose definition of what morning is.
Yeah,
around
exactly.
here.
Yeah. But yeah, I wasn't into it yesterday. It was kind of crazy. I think Carrie wasn't either. I was just tired. I think it was just the time change. We were just totally off. Actually, I worked on the 4 principles yesterday. I actually did a sheet on it, and I think it's coming out pretty good. I'm trying to prepare for tomorrow. I'm going to be teaching a young 8-year-old how to play handpan. Pretty crazy. It's a first for me, and I just want to be prepared. So I worked on the 4 principles, and that was pretty cool, actually. I'm coming up with a cool program for the handpan and just music in general, I think. And I think this will help a lot of people get to where they want to be. So that's going to be cool. Worked on some song sheets. That's going to be a never-ending battle. But I thought about it. These song sheets are, because since I'm doing more lessons and stuff like that, I think that's where it's going to be going for training and stuff like that. Look at my monitors in the way. That was crazy. But I want to have the song sheets that I made, so I'll have, that's what the 100 days is for, is to have all these song sheets, and then I'll have a book that it's going to be cool that I can either play songs out of, I could teach those songs because I've done them. You know, I can do a lot of things with that, so it's going to be pretty rad at the end of this 100 days. I'll have something cool. Let's see. Carrie was having kind of a bad day yesterday with Miguel, but then it all worked out. What I learned is that 90% of the stuff that we worry about never comes true. Isn't that true? I learned that all year, or all my life, but we never listen to it. We know that rule, but we never abide by it because at the time it's kind of crazy. But yeah, 90% of the stuff that we worry about never comes true. It's kind of crazy. Remember that. Wow. I actually ordered some new Ohana ukuleles. Actually, these are going to be the most expensive ones that I ordered. But they're super nice, one of a kinds, and I don't think I'll find out today. I'm going to go pick them up today, but I don't think Ohana, actually the ones that I'm picking up were already limited editions, and I think they were the most expensive Ohana ukuleles that they sold. And they're really nice, but I think they sold them all, and they have their prototype left over, and it's really nice because it's not like any of the others. Well, it just has one little thing on there, I think, or a couple things that makes it unique, but it's super cool. So, and it sounds good, so I'm picking them up today, and that's gonna be rad. That's gonna be cool. Actually, I'm picking up 3 one-of-a-kinds today. It's gonna be rad. So I'm excited about those. I got to take some pictures of those, put them on the website, and those available. And then I can reviews and all that other stuff. I love my job. It's cool. I get to play with the musical instruments all day long. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Plus, I have an appointment at 4 today to go sell a handpan to one of our renters, and yeah, and then I gotta do my song today. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll pick. I have a bunch of songs that I can do today for my 100 days, and let's see, what else am I doing? I don't know, but we'll look at birthdays. Let's get some birthdays. Birthdays. Today's birthdays. Tico. Tico's birthday today. Happy birthday, Tico. It is my stepsister's husband. They live in La Brea. La Brea? Yeah. I think he still works at Ford, but awesome, Roberto Tico Castro. It is your birthday, and haha, you're younger than me. But awesome, dude. Happy birthday. What else? Oh, Darlene Gariana. Hawaii family. My Hawaii family. Darlene. There's like 4 Darlenes. What's going on here on Facebook? Darlene, you have 4 accounts. What's going on? And yeah, those are the birthdays today. Happy birthday, everybody. If I only check on the birthdays on Facebook, so I don't know who else's birthdays are here. But if it's your day, happy birthday. Always enjoyable. Actually, I was playing Happy Birthday on the handpan yesterday. It was pretty cool. I wonder if I can remember. Hold on, let me see. I'm trying.
What's happening?
I was playing Happy Birthday on the handpan.
You do it, baby.
Look at this handpan. Woo! This one's for sale, but I was showing it to somebody, so I have it now. But anyways, let's see if I can do Happy Birthday on the handpan, if I remember. Wait, did it? Wait, Happy Birthday. No. I totally forgot. That was crazy. Wait. Oh yeah, that's right. What? Almost. That was almost. I totally forgot what it was, but close. Close. I'm gonna be teaching that to somebody, and I have some other ones too. There's like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and all this other stuff. So it's gonna be fun. I was trying to learn like little nursery rhymes so I can teach to young people on the handpan, because that's gonna be amazing. I'm excited to teach an 8-year-old handpan. It's gonna be fun. But anyways, happy birthday to everybody. It's cool. Other than that, I don't think I have anything else today. I have to do my after this, and I'm just gonna get ready to do some stuff. But I do need to do some editing too. Ooh, fun stuff. Fun. Carrie, what do we got today? Stuff for Evo all day. She's got plenty of clients. Carrie's massive businesswoman.
Writing some business messaging.
Business messaging. She's gonna be coming out with a book soon, so watch out, Carrie. Carrie Jenkins. Let's see, what would the book be called? How to run your business. Basically, that's what she's a great counselor like that. It's so cool. But anyways, it is March 16th, 2021. It's Tuesday. Still the beginning of the week. Usually, I think on Tuesdays, everybody's like just jobbing. Oh, I did. Yesterday, I got some cool sunglasses. I'll do a quick review. These, I believe, are the best $20 glasses that you can get. They're called knockarounds. I just had a set, but I lost them. But I don't know. I've had them for like all last year. It was so cool. And they fit well. They're polarized, and they're only $20, 25, I think. And I've been using these. It was kind of crazy. Last year I had a set, and just recently, like a week ago, I lost them, and I just got a new set, and they're only $20. I've gotten a lot of sunglasses over my life, and I always lose them. So when you find a $20 nice set, they feel good on your face. I don't know. It's just, and they're $20, so I don't care if I lose them or not, and they look nice. So I might get another a set, just a different color or something like that, to have extra. But that's always good. Knockarounds, check them out. I'm not sponsored by them, but yeah, I like them. They're cool. But anyways, they have cool styles, and you can customize them whatever you want, and you get polarized glasses. They're really nice in the sun. And I got Carrie a set. She's got a cool set too, so now we have sunglasses. I need sunglasses because I wear contacts and the sun is very bright on my eyes, so I absolutely need sunglasses. I am such a baby. But anyways, that was my review for day. Knockaround sunglasses. I am not sponsored by them, but if you're looking for a great $20 pair of sunglasses, those are really nice. So, with that, I will. This March 16, 2021 is Tuesday. It is vlog 51. And just living life. Keeping on. Every day, keep on vlogging. And like always, every day. Let's see, what am I going to give you today? We will go, E minor, way low. Keep on strumming ukulele. See you tomorrow.